Hello everyone, I am Riya from technodatasolutions.com. We will get to know how to list your products. When it comes to listing your products on Flipkart, you have two options. Option number one, matching with the existing products. If similar product is already listed on Flipkart, you can effortlessly link your product with the existing product. In this way, you can make your product live on the platform without having to create a separate listing. Option number two, if no similar product is listed, you need to add a new product. And to add a new product, follow these simple steps. Step number one, after logging into the seller account, head to the listing and click on My Listing page. Step two, select Add New Listing, then choose Add a New Single Listing. Step 3. You can manually select your product by picking the relevant category and vertical, or simply enter your product category in the search box. Step number 4. Next, you need to click on the Select Brand button and input the brand name. For selling branded products, ensure that you need to have the brand approval letter. Keep in mind that not all the brands on Flipkart are open to all the sellers, and some require brand approvals. Step number 5. For non branded products, you can use your own brand name to sell. After getting the brand approval, press continue. Step number 6. Fill in your product details, including the product image, price, stock, shipping information, product description, and additional details. Make sure all the information is accurate and comprehensive to help buyers make the informed decision. Step number 7. Ensure that all the comply with Flipkart's images guidelines before uploading the product image. Step number 8. Once all the information is entered, click Save. Step number 9. Review the product details. If everything is in order, you will see a green tick. Last step, that is step number 10. Now click on Send the QC to complete the listing process. If you have any further question or inquiry, comment down and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel to get the high quality content to boost your sales.